Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and immediate accessibility. Remove the cover, check batteries with a multimeter or swap in fresh cells so you're testing with known good power. Once done, note the lock model and firmware shown on the app or sticker. That affects parts and procedures. Make sure to have a small Phillips and flathead ready because you'll need to access mounting screws quickly. Now, power is controlled and documentation is ready, so you can safely proceed to internal inspection. You'll now open the housing and inspect moving parts while explaining what to look for. Once open, visually scan gears for stripped teeth, foreign debris, or misaligned spindles. These cause jams more often than electronics. Test the motor directly with a 3V6V bench supply or fresh batteries to see if it spins freely. Make sure connectors are seated. Wiggle harnesses to reproduce intermittent faults. If a gear is damaged, replace it and relubricate with a thin film of silicone grease before reassembly. You put the lock back together paying attention to alignment and screw torque so nothing binds when the motor runs. Once assembled, restore power and run the lock's calibration or pairing routine in the app. This sets travel limits and teaches the motor endpoints. Make sure the deadbolt extends and retracts fully without noise. If the lock still misbehaves, perform a factory reset and a firmware update, and if that fails, contact manufacturer, support with model and error logs for parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.